Hello and welcome to this video. In this video today, I am doing a grounding technique. So this is part of the decrease to reset, I should say. And it's all about learning little tools and techniques and practices that help decrease the stress in your life. So when you're right in the stress response, when you're right in this situation, and also every day. The thing to remember is that when you teach your body to relax, to go into these little relaxation times during the day, then your body has a break. It's not just stuck up there in this consistent high stress state, which most people are. So that's why it's so important to bring these practices into your day so that you can take time, even if it only takes a few minutes, and this one does, to really feel more relief in that stress and regulate your heart rate, bring your stress rate down. So this is grounding. We're going to do a quick little breathing and imagination grounding thing, and you can do this for a much longer period of time, okay? And I do this in all my programs. Often we start my video trainings, my trainings, like when I'm doing the coaching videos, within those coaching videos, we usually do a time when we do a little bit of grounding and relaxation and breathing techniques each and every time. Gets you in the habit of doing it. So make sure to check out my programs. I have a 30-day program starting Monday. Come and be a part of it. DianaMarchand.com/reset, RESET 30. Okay, here we go with the grounding. So it starts with taking some breaths. So you sit up tall, shoulders back straight. You can close your eyes, you can keep your eyes open, whatever you want. And as you inhale in, breathe in through your nose, relaxing, let your belly expand, okay? So it's like, you can hold at the top if you want, exhaling through the mouth, okay? So you want to do that a few times to kind of bring a little bit more relaxing, get yourself into that relaxation state. And I tend to put either one hand on my belly, one hand on my heart, or whatever, right? One hand just here to connect to your body, okay? To feel it, get out of your head. And then as you're exhaling, you want to bring the energy down. So you're up here when you're stressed and that stress response. Even when you wake up first thing in the morning, we can be thinking too much. So as you exhale, bring the energy down, down, down through your body, down into the earth. And imagine it like trees, and you're a tree and you're growing roots into the ground, okay? You're grounding yourself. You're getting deeply rooted into the earth. The earth has calming energy, calming safety, stability energy. We're also focusing more on the lower chakra, which is the root chakra, which is security and safety, okay? Inhaling through your nose and then exhaling down, 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 imagining the white light or energy coming down, going down into the center of the earth. Picture roots growing, kind of holding on to the center of the earth, and then the earth's energy coming back up into your body through your feet, kind of swirling around through your body, and then exhaling back down, down, down into the center of the earth. And you're going to do this a few times. And as you're focusing on exhaling and grounding down into the center of the earth, you're going to kind of feel your shoulders relax and your body kind of sink deeply into the chair you're sitting in, your feet sinking into the ground, and just feel that energy going down. You will feel so much more relaxed really, really quickly. I promise you, this is very fast, right? And then you can continue this breath until you feel yourself in a nice, calm, beautiful state. And what you can also do is inhale up, imagine the white light from above, which is like love and light, coming down through your crown into your body, swirling around in your body and going down into the center of the earth again. And then the earth energy coming up, filling throughout your body, and then going back down into the earth. Okay, and do that a few times with your breath, with your breathing, and just let your whole body and nervous system relax. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know below. And make sure to check out my new 30-day program. We start Monday. Pre-work has already started. DianaMarchand.com/reset 3030. And if you have any questions, you want to know if this program's for you, please comment below or feel free to message me. All right, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.